rounding out the field.
Yeah, so I'm going to say the wind reading at 2.0 is legal. At 2.1, though, I don't think it's a hurricane. To me, a hurricane starts about 4 and 5.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, plus 5, plus 4.
Okay, but let's introduce the 8 athletes who are now on track.
Full field, Shamaria Robinson of Petersfield in 1, and Neandre Cooper of Camperdown 2, Orlando Anglin of JC 3, Tariq Bennett running unattached in 4, Ricardo Mann of Virtech in 5, Chase Barnett in 6, Curtis Schaff of Homewood in 7, and Tyron Brown of Papine High in lane 8. So full field for the 4th and final heat of the under 18 boys 100 meters. The top 3 sure to advance.
On your marks.
Set to their blocks. Heat 4 of 4 on the 18 boys 100 meters. Top 3 sure to go through.
Set.
In the set position. And called back.
Done so well, Danielle. Danielle prayed, crossed her fingers, crossed her toes for a clean set of 100 meters. But here we see a twitch. I'm going to call it a twitch, Danielle, in lane 4. What are you going to call it?
Let's see. He didn't seem to leave the block, but definitely moved. Tariq Bennett, unattached.
And then he's walking back slowly to the blocks, and he's kind of stretching like, I felt a bit of a cramp. That's why I twitched. I didn't actually you see him there, Danielle.
It's either you're going to act guilty, or are they going to not act guilty, act not guilty, or you're going to feign sickness? Something happened. I heard a noise. You have to plan for it and act quickly.
The dog ate my homework. Let's see. Well, the decision has been made. He is going to receive a warning, which I believe is an appropriate decision by the start crew.
A fair one.
He twitched without having his hands appear to leave the track or his feet leave the blocks, but he did disturb the start, so he's warned. You do that again, then you're out. Very, very well done by the start crew.
All right, so send back to their blocks. Second time of asking. Heat 4 of 4 on the 18 boys, 100 meters. 3 sure to advance. Set position. Sent off. Clean break. Out quickly from very technical. That's Ricardo Mann. But also stepping forward from that's Anglin of Jamaica College. And Mann gets it. Start run from Ricardo Mann there. Very technical. Was out quickest of the lot. And then midway seemed to have faltered a bit, but came back strongly towards the end. Did Ricardo Mann of very technical. Coming out as the big man in this one.
At the restart of the race, Mann didn't get the best start, especially after that disturbance, but he does finish well, holds off the fast finishing Tariq Bennett. The times again, viewers, listeners, do not panic. 11:10 for Mann, just closely followed by Bennett at 11:13 and Orlando Anglin of Jamaica College at 11:14 into a negative 3.6 win, Daniel Dowie.
Yes, and judging by those last 10 meters for Mann, I would have to say we have to reconsider the starting point for Hurricane. He was struggling in that.
Hey, I'm saying if it's not a Cat 5, it's not a Hurricane. If it's not a Melissa.
It depends on your frame as well. So if you're not stout and sturdy, that wind can knock you.
So you have stout and sturdy sprinters?
Yes, you have people who are more built and they can handle
the official time.
So,
wind.
Mann 11:10. Bennett 11:13, Anglin 11:14, taking the top 3 spots. Schaff at 11:23, taking 4th. Cooper 11:34, Barnett 11:40, and Robinson 11:84, and Tyron Brown of Papine rounding out the field.